Multiplication of a binomial with a trinomial. In our previous video, we covered multiplication of two binomials. Now, let's look into multiplication of a binomial with a trinomial and other combinations of polynomials. As you know, binomials are expressions with exactly two terms, and trinomials has exactly three terms. Let's take a very simple example. Multiply a binomial 2a plus 3 and a trinomial 3a squared minus 4a minus 5. That's 2a plus 3 times 3a squared minus 4a minus 5. There are two ways of finding the product of these expressions. The first method is what you're already familiar, which is called the horizontal method. Horizontal method. Multiply each of the terms of the binomial with the terms of the trinomial. Pay attention to the arrows. That's 2a times 3a squared plus 2a times negative 4a plus 2a times negative 5 plus 3 times 3a squared plus 3 times negative 4a plus 3 times negative 5, which equals 6a cubed minus 8a squared minus 10a plus 9a squared minus 12a minus 15. Writing the like terms together, we get 6a cubed minus 8a squared plus 9a squared minus 10a minus 12a minus 15. Simplifying, we get 6a cubed plus a squared minus 22a minus 15. There is a second method of multiplying these two polynomials called the column method. Column method. Let's look at this with a step-by-step approach. Step 1. Here we write the trinomial at the top, and in the next row we write the binomial and put a line below it. 3a squared minus 4a minus 5, 2a plus 3 on the second line. Step 2. Multiply every term of the trinomial with the first term of the binomial. We get 6a cubed minus 8a squared minus 10a. Step 3. Multiply every term of the trinomial with the second term of the binomial. Here we get 9a squared minus 12a minus 15. Step 4. Add the like terms from step 2 and step 3 and write the results. This yields 6a cubed plus a squared minus 22a minus 15. Okay, those are the two ways of finding the product of a binomial expression with a trinomial expression. However, we'll stick to the horizontal method for finding the products of polynomials in our discussion. Let's try one more example of finding the product of a binomial with a trinomial. Multiply p plus q with p squared minus pq plus q squared. Pay attention to the arrows. That's p times p squared plus p times negative pq plus p times q squared plus q times p squared plus q times negative pq plus q times q squared, which equals p cubed minus p squared q plus pq squared plus p squared q minus pq squared plus q cubed. Writing the like terms together, we get p cubed minus p squared q plus p squared q plus pq squared minus pq squared plus q cubed. Simplifying, we get p cubed plus 0 plus q cubed, which equals p cubed plus q cubed. Let's extend this multiplication technique to multiply two trinomials. Multiplying two trinomials. Let's take an example of two trinomials and find their product. Multiply 3m squared minus 7m plus 2 with 4m squared minus 3m plus 5. Again, let's show how each of the terms of the trinomial is multiplied with all the other terms of the trinomials using arrows. Pay attention to the arrows. Since each trinomial has three terms, there are 9 arrows. That's 3m squared times 4m squared plus 3m squared times negative 3m plus 3m squared times 5 plus negative 7m times 4m squared plus negative 7m times negative 3m plus negative 7m times 5 plus 2 times 4m squared plus 2 times negative 3m plus 2 times 5, which equals 12m power 4 minus 9m cubed plus 15m squared minus 28m cubed plus 21m squared minus 35m plus 8m squared minus 6m plus 10. Let's pair the like terms and rewrite this as 12m power 4 minus 9m cubed minus 28m cubed plus 15m squared plus 21m squared plus 8m squared minus 35m minus 6m plus 10, which equals 12m power 4 minus 37m cubed plus 44m squared minus 41m plus 10. That's the product of the two trinomials. That was something, isn't it? Multiplying three binomials. Let's look at an example of finding the product of three binomials. Multiply 2a plus 3b, 3a minus 2b, and 4a minus 3. To find the product of the three binomials, all we do is take two binomials and find the product first, and then multiply the product with the last binomial. Let's start with the first two binomials, namely 2a plus 3b and 3a minus 2b. Pay attention to the arrows again. That's 2a times 3a plus 2a times negative 2b plus 3b times 3a plus 3b times negative 2b, which equals 6a squared minus 4ab plus 9ab minus 6b squared. Simplify the like terms. This equals 6a squared plus 5ab minus 6b squared. That's the product of the first two binomials, which happens to be a trinomial. Now, let's multiply this product 6a squared plus 5ab minus 6b squared with 4a minus 3. Pay attention to the arrows again. That's 6a squared times 4a plus 6a squared times negative 3 plus 5ab times 4a plus 5ab times negative 3 plus negative 6b squared times 4a plus negative 6b squared times negative 3, which equals 24a cubed minus 18a squared plus 20a squared b minus 15ab minus 24ab squared plus 18b squared. There is no further simplification possible. That's all we have on multiplication of higher degree polynomials. Thanks for watching.